guys, so here's the product. I'm just gonna start it off by giving it a good smell. The product smells really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in. It actually came and shot at me, so I was trying to make sure that it didn't fall. And you guys just see me talking amongst myself right now because I'm like, man, I really did not expect that to happen. And now the lens is fogging up. So yeah, a lot was going on in this whole situation here. But I do notice that I have to use a decent amount of this. So I'm just going back in and the camera is just constantly fogging up. So I'm coming a little closer so you guys can see me. One thing that I'm noticing is that my hands is literally just gliding through my hair with this product on my hands, if you guys can see. I'm just putting that all over my hair. And once again, just look at how my hands are just gliding through this product, or through my hair with this product. Don't worry guys, the camera will get better soon. I wipe all the fog off. So now the fog's all off and I'm just now getting the other side and once again just putting the product all over my hair and making sure I coat my entire hair with the product. I also noticed that I left a little bit of shampoo in my hair, but that was not to worry because I was always gonna rinse this out anyway, and the shampoo is very moisturizing. I actually have a video on that. I will make sure that I list that in the eye as well as in the description box down below. That way you guys can check out my review on that shampoo. And now I'm just saying, oh wow, because I'm noticing how my hands are literally just running straight through my hair with this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cover my hair with a plastic cap, and I'm gonna do this for about 15 minutes, and then I will come back. So now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the plastic cap, and then I'm also going to go ahead and rinse this out so you guys can see the results. And I've already seen that my hair is getting very soft. So now I'm just going ahead and rinsing this out of my hair. I'm also kind of rubbing out my roots and things just to make sure that I'm getting all of that product out of my hair before I go into styling. And just look at how this is really defining my curls and everything, guys. I really like that about this product. So now I'm just draining out all of the excess water so that my hair can dry a little faster. And this is the result. Alright guys, go ahead and check out the rest of the review.
Girl Fabulous Victoria, and I'm back with another video. And before we get into this video, I just want to say, did you guys see that new Vlogmas intro? I am so excited to have my new intro. I'm going to link the video down below where you guys could get it. I got it from a girl that I know named LA Living on YouTube, so definitely go check her channel out because that literally saved me a bunch of time because I was literally like, oh my god, I need to create an intro, but I don't have an intro. And like that literally saved me a bunch of time. So definitely go check her channel out. I will link it in the description, and I'll be doing that all Vlogmas long, so then you guys can always go and refer back to her channel just in case you guys need a quick intro and you guys want to get into Vlogmas and everything. So yeah, that'll be there, okay? And then let me also address this with Vlogmas. Vlogmas will not specifically just be holiday videos for me. It will also be like, you know, different types of regular videos that I normally do. I just want to, you know, create more content and things like that for you guys during Vlogmas. But Vlogmas will be a mixture of regular videos that I normally do as well as videos that are holiday related. And I'll try to at least kind of put all of the vlogs together that I do have throughout the whole entire week and then have them uploaded for Saturday. So I'll try to make Saturday's uploads all about Vlogmas type things, so then it's kind of like you guys at least get some sort of holiday type things. And I have some creative ideas that I do want to do for Vlogmas, so just make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos, okay? But guys, this video is going to be a stash or trash video. You guys know I love creating these little videos slash like a review as well, because, and sorry if you guys hear like the trash truck, today is our trash day or whatever, and I'm actually doing something a little different. I'm trying to film the video during my lunch and stuff for work, so yeah, busy mama, you know what I'm saying? But I just thought that things would be so much easier because I do get a 55-minute lunch or an hour depending on how you look at it. So I do get like an hour lunch, so I was like, that's probably enough time for me to go film. And because I'm able to work from home now, I could get me some videos done. But I've been rambling for a long time, so let's just kind of jump straight into this video and get this review going. Please be sure to subscribe if you guys are not already. That way you guys can be a part of my journey. And make sure you guys also hit that notification bell. That way you guys can be notified of when I upload. This video here that we will be doing is going to be on the African Pride Moisture Miracle Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil Repair and Replenish Conditioner. So guys, this is what it is giving. This is what it looks like. Now this is a 12 fluid ounce bottle, which I believe is the same as the shampoo. If you guys are not familiar, I did do a shampoo review on this as well. And I did that review on like the video before last or something like that. So you guys can definitely go check that out. I would have it in the eye as well as in the description box down below. Now guys, I used this and I thought that it was gonna smell like the shampoo, but this actually smells like a grown man, okay? I love it when products smell like grown men because I just love smelling grown men. Like that sounds really that sounds really strange. I'm not a weird person, I promise you, but like I like the smell of grown men, okay? It just, okay, whatever. Anyway, about this, okay? So, you know, this color is even different compared to the other color. Now, guys, I'm sorry. If you're eating, do not eat right now, because when I literally like squeezed this out of the bottle and stuff, and I seen the way this looks, I thought this looks like some doo-doo. It looked like dookie, and I was like, ew. And then the way that it shot out at me when I was trying to put it in my hair and stuff, I was like, that doesn't make this any better, because it looks like doo-doo. But I mean, I guess that makes sense because, you know, it does have coconut oil, chocolate, and honey. So that makes sense why it would, you know, kind of look like doo-doo, because it does have like chocolate in it and honey. So maybe that's why. But for some reason, all of those things together makes the smell of a man, I guess. I don't know. But let me go ahead and try to get through these ingredients, which you guys know by now that I butcher, but I still continue to try to read them for you because I like to torture myself. So let's go ahead and read the ingredients. So I'm just gonna read the things that I know of. So it does have water in it, it has glycerin in it, and it has coconut as well as coconut oil, cocoa, it has shea, like shea butter, honey. So it has a lot of really good things for your hair in it. So that's good. So it says here that the coconut oil deeply conditions, hydrates, and helps repair. It says that the honey naturally retains moisture and adds shine, and the cacao powder, which is also known as chocolate, that restores and prevents damage and helps promote hair growth. So that's great. I had no idea that chocolate was a good way of helping your hair and things like that. So that's a really good thing to know about this product. This product also says sulfate free and color safe, just like the shampoo. It also says that it has no parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, and petroleum as well, just like the shampoo did. So one thing that I really love about this conditioner is that this conditioner is almost like a deep conditioner, because when I was applying it to my hair, they also said that you could keep it in your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. And if you guys are not aware, those are the types of products that I love the most. I love a conditioner that I can kind of use and double up as a conditioner as well as a deep conditioner, because I like when products have multi-use, so then that way I can save a little bit more of my money by, you know, keeping just one product rather than buying a ton of different products that do the same thing as, you know, multiple products, you know what I mean? So that's one thing I really loved about this product. Now the consistency of this product is very liquidy. I honestly had to be very careful when pouring it into my hand, because once again it shot out at me. So you are going to have to be very careful, because it is very liquidy. And the texture on my hair of this product, it was very strange, because it almost felt like I put nothing into my hair when I know that I put product in my hair, you know? So it was a little weird for me at first, because I was like, well, it doesn't really feel like it's doing anything. But guys, I must say that once I let it sit in my hair and once I rinsed it off, that is when I noticed the difference in my hair. It felt so good on my hair. I felt like my hair had so much slip, and I was pleasantly surprised. Like, I was like, what? I did not expect this from this product, especially because these products are so inexpensive. Like I said last video, the conditioner is no different. These products only ran about $4.95, which is really good for products, especially when you are not really trying to pay that much for products and things like that. So that also was a plus in my book, because anytime that I can save my money, that is a win. So I haven't really been saying, but you guys can order these products from Walmart. I'm sure you can also get them from African Pride's store as well. But I usually get all my hair products from either Walmart or the beauty supply stores. Sometimes I might get them from the actual place itself, but for the most part, Walmart is like my go-to. Alright guys, so when it comes to the verdict of whether we should stash this product or trash this product, guys, I'm gonna have to say that we're going to definitely stash this product. This was never before used for me. I have never used this before. I was just now using it. I wanted to use this whole line all together because I loved the shampoo and I loved the leave-in cream as well as the curling cream so much. So I was like, let me just go ahead and try to buy the whole product line together. And like I said, with these products only being $4.95 per container, I think that's really inexpensive and great. So I would like to say that if you guys are on a budget and if you guys are trying to look for some really good products that also help with your hair, because if you're natural and things like that and you want some good products, these are definitely the ones. So these are definitely going to be stashed rather than trashed. Alright guys, so this is a very quick review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below, as well as in the outro and on the screen. If you guys like videos like this, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I know that we should continue to keep doing these types of videos, because I definitely like to produce these types of videos for you guys. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and hope that you guys enjoyed this new outro. Bye!